Your patio door is quietly becoming the single most important design choice in modern outdoor living spaces. Most homeowners obsess over decks and pergolas while ignoring this massive transition zone hiding in plain sight. Today, an outdoor heaven, we reveal the freshest patio door trends transforming backyards across the country right now. Stick around because the final three inside expose costly mistakes almost every contractor refuses to openly discuss. These design ideas could dramatically boost both your daily enjoyment and your home's long term resale value significantly. Let's kick things off with floor to ceiling glass panels. The trend dominating high end residential design fades everywhere. These towering panels erase the visual boundary between your living room and beautifully landscapes backyard almost magically. Designers love pairing them with low profile furniture that keeps sight lines completely open toward the garden beyond. Scale truly matters here. So, aim for panels reaching at least 8 feet tall whenever possible. The dramatic effect honestly makes ordinary rooms feel twice their size while folding interiors with natural light. Picture an entire wall of glass sliding silently aside, opening 12 feet of unobstructed outdoor access instantly. Multi-side doors stake neatly to one side, creating breathtaking party reveals that genuinely wow every single guest. Pocket variation disappear completely into hidden wall cavities, leaving absolutely zero visual interruption when fully retracted. Quality systems start around $8,000, but the wow factor justifies every single penny spent. Homeowners constantly report this upgrade transforms how they actually use their backyard throughout warmer weather months. Matte black frames have absolutely exploded across modern landscaping and architectural design fades for compelling visual reasons. The crisp dark outline frames your backyard view like a stunning museum quality artwork hanging on the wall. This bold trend pairs beautifully with farmhouse, modern, and even traditional architecture styles without ever feeling forced. Minimalist flush hardware in matching dark finishing completes the clean aesthetic without any clunky, distracting elements. Bronze, brushed nickels, and warm brass accents are quietly fading as black continues dominating exterior trim choices. Smart glass technology launching widely in 2026 transforms patio doors into dynamic, almost futurist living architecture elements. Electronic panels tint instantly at the press of button, offering complete privacy without any window treatment. Built-in weather sensors automatically close doors whenever sudden rainstorm approach your home from any direction. Pair smart glass with outdoor speakers, sunken fireplace, and continuous flooring for the true resort-style backyard ambience. This holistic approach makes ordinary outdoor space generally feel like luxurious vacation destination every single day. Plush threshold represent the quiet design revolution most homeowners have never ever heard discussed before today. Traditional raised thresholds create awkward bumps between indoor flooring and outdoor patio stones during every single step. Modern flush systems feature hidden drainage channels, keeping water outside while maintaining a perfectly level walking surface. Pair this detail with matching flooring extending outdoor to completely blur the boundary between living space. Guest will swear your living room somehow doubled overnight without any actual square footage being added anywhere. let's tackle the mistakes nobody else seems willing to discuss openly with everyday homeowners like you. The first major error involves choosing patio doors that feel dramatically undersized for the available wall opening space. Builder often install narrow 6 feet slider when the space honestly demands 8 or even 10 feet wide. This single sizing mistake chops your gorgeous backyard view into a sad rectangular peephole almost immediately afterward. Always size up generously because removing wall later costs significantly more than choosing larger doors initially upfront. Have you ever wondered why your patio door feels icy cold against bare fingerprints during chilly winter mornings? That chilling sensation, singles, cheap aluminium frames are quietly bleeding heating dollars straight outside every single day. Single pane glass and thin vinyl frames remains shockingly common across new residential construction projects everywhere today. Smart buyers now demand triple pane glazing paired with insulated fiberglass or thermally broken composite frame materials throughout. The crucial upgrade pays itself back through utility saving without roughly 7 short years of normal ownership. Here, the final mistake almost every constructor will quietly skip during your initially designed consultation meeting. Cheap multi point locks fail constantly, leaving wide patio doors at the east break in point in entire homes. Always demand reinforced strike plates, laminated security glass, and smart biometric locks built directly into frames. If this video helps you today, please smash the like button and share it with curious neighbors nearby. Subscribe to Outdoor Heaven for weekly landscaping secrets that genuinely transform ordinary backyard into absolutely stunning escapes.